Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. Today is March 24th and this is Henry. So we're going to be looking at the Dow futures today, 60 minutes time frame. We can see we are currently looking for the downside in the form of a double three. Double three is a WXY where each leg, the W and the Y, subdivides into three waves into a zigzag typically. And here we have the Y leg in progress right now in a zigzag. So we finished the A of the zigzag in a 5 waves, and then now the B is also finished, and then as long as we stay below this 48 to 75, the previous X here, we could see for the downside again to finish the C of Y. Now if I zoom out and into the daily time frame, here is the W on the daily time frame, the same W here on the 1 hour, and the X is right here. So we got a, from this all-time high, we got a lower low, and this cycle from April last year certainly has ended. We are looking to at least correct that cycle at minimum, and the correction in the form of potentially a WXY. So potential target on the downside will be this level, based on the 100% extension of the WX between 41 to 68 and 43,925. So that will be the next potential support zone, and it is expected to continue to go down into this area where we can then find some sort of support and stabilize a little bit, either going to new high from there, or we could see a three waves reaction higher. Okay, so that's basically the idea from the Dow. Shorter cycle looking for further downside below 48 to 75, target into 43,925, 41,268. Alright, so as always, if you want to get more updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial, and you can use the link in the description of the video. See you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.